Hello guys, we are now going to start a complete series of C programming. This is our first video about C programming. We hope this series will be really helpful to develop your knowledge of C programming. In this video, we are going to show you how to add two numbers in programming. I suggest you to see the video till the end. Without wasting time, let's start. Firstly, you have to open a source file to write your program. First, go to the file, then new and the source file. You can open source file by clicking short key Ctrl+A. The white screen is the area where you have to write your desired program. First write hash include stdio.h. H is the header file. Stdio's full form is standard input and output. Then write main and bracket. Then give the second bracket and write int num1, num2 and sum. Then you have to give instruction to the user to enter the first number. Now the user will give the first number. To give the first number, you have to print f and first bracket, enter the first number. Then you have to store this value to a declared variable, in our case num1. Then scanf and %num1. Do the same step again to get the second number. I write the same things. And scanf and %num2. Sum equal to num1 plus num2. After that, now you have to store the sum of these two variables to another variable, in our case named sum. I forgot to tell you that int means integer and num1, num2 and sum are the three variables that is required to print the adding of two numbers. Let's write printf required sum and sum, then bracket close. Now the job is done. It's time to show the user the output that is the sum of two numbers. To run this program, you have to first compile your project, then execute it. First compile. Before compile, you have to save your project. Then compile and run your project. Let's take any first number like 4 and the second number take 6 and the required sum will be 10. Thanks for watching this video.